Locals assaulted several personnel of 7MR Special Commando Unit who came by wearing civil dress and pretended to be underground members today, besides damaging their vehicles in Khewa, Phurju under Kundrakpam constituency in Imphal East district. According to information culled from the spot by SKTV, the incident occurred around 10:40 am when the locals who were attending MG-NRE-GS work noticed an I-20 car and a Baleno car, both without number plates, loitering in the area. When the locals stopped the cars and questioned the occupants about their identities, the individuals claimed to be members of proscribed groups tasked with arresting a local drug peddler. However, it was later revealed that they were actually the personnel of 7MR. As the locals were feeling deceived, they assaulted the personnel and damaged their vehicles. Police uniforms were also reportedly found inside the cars. Following the incident, a large contingent of police personnel arrived at the scene and took the MR personnel into custody after assessing the situation. There were no reports of any further untoward incidents.